Hi guys and welcome back. Right, so this week we are going to be doing something miniature. Now recently I bought some small dovetail jaws to go onto my chuck. Let's put two together just to show you sort of the rough size before they go onto the chuck. And I have got so many offcuts of burr and bells, whatever you want to call them, pieces of timber, and what I wanted to try and do is turn a miniature bowl. It is going to be miniature. Now the piece I've got, I'll flick over now. So this is the piece I've got on, mounted on. So what I want to do is I want to have like a natural edge on this miniature bowl. So what I'll do is I'll turn the bowl sort of rough shaped and turn out the little dovetail on the bottom, and then hollow the inside, and hopefully we'll have a really cool looking bowl, miniature size. So guys, I am going to leave, I don't know if you can see there, these flatter edges. Just loosened it up on the worm screw now. I'm going to leave these square edges because I think it looks really cool that it goes from round to sort of a square edge and then back round again. Now I've sanded up to 180. I'm going to go over with some 240 now, and then I'm going to throw some Yorkshire grit on and then flip it round, put on the smaller jaws, and then sort of carve the inside. I think it's going to be, I think I'll probably use it as more of a sort of like a little jewellery pot, maybe to keep your rings or something in. So guys, there we are. A little offcut pot. I was fed up with seeing all these offcuts lying around in my shop, and I thought, you know what can I do with them? Recently I went and bought the small dovetail drawers from Axminster to go onto my chuck, and they worked a treat for these jobs. So anyone out there that's got a lot of offcuts and don't know what to do with them, get them on a lathe and make some cool little things with them. This one, as I said earlier, got a flat edge here, which makes it look as though we've got some square edges running in the pot, which I think gives it that little bit more character. But yeah, really fun little project. A hell of a lot different to my last video, but yeah, no piece of timber is too small to turn. Cheers guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, and I will be back next week.